Hisense Portable Air Conditioner Troubleshooting. Is your Hisense portable air conditioner not working the way it should? You're not alone, and the good news is many common problems have simple fixes. Imagine staying cool and comfortable without the hassle of calling for expensive repairs. In this guide, you'll discover easy troubleshooting tips that save you time and money. Keep reading to learn how to get your Hisense unit running smoothly again, quickly and effortlessly. Common issues. Hisense portable air conditioners are reliable, but can face common issues. Knowing these problems helps you fix them fast. This saves time and keeps your room cool. Understanding symptoms makes troubleshooting easier. Here are some frequent issues and tips to solve them. Unit not cooling. The air conditioner runs, but does not cool the room. Check if the filter is dirty or blocked. A clogged filter reduces airflow and cooling power. Also, make sure doors and windows are closed. Warm air entering stops cooling. Lastly, ensure the temperature setting is lower than the room temperature. Water leakage. Water leaks around the unit. This can happen if the drain hose is blocked. Clear any dirt or debris from the hose. Another cause is an overfilled water tank. Empty the tank regularly to avoid spills. Place the unit on a flat surface to prevent leaks too. Unusual noises. Strange sounds come from the air conditioner. Loose parts inside can cause rattling or banging. Tighten screws and check internal components. A dirty fan or motor can create buzzing noises. Clean the fan blades and motor area carefully. Remote control problems. The remote does not work or has weak signals. Replace the batteries with new ones. Make sure nothing blocks the remote sensor on the unit. Clean the sensor area gently to remove dust. If the remote still fails, try resetting the unit. Error codes. The unit shows error codes on the display. These codes point to specific problems. Check the user manual for code meanings. Common errors include sensor faults or drainage issues. Follow the manual's instructions to fix these errors quickly. Basic checks. Basic checks are the first step in solving problems with your Hisense portable air conditioner. These checks help find simple issues quickly. They save time and avoid costly repairs. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your unit works well. Power supply and connections. Make sure the air conditioner is plugged into a working outlet. Check the power cord for cuts or damage. Try another outlet if the unit does not turn on. Confirm the circuit breaker or fuse is not tripped or blown. Filter cleaning. Dirty filters block airflow and reduce cooling. Remove the filter and clean it with a vacuum or warm water. Let the filter dry completely before placing it back. Clean filters improve air quality and help the unit run better. Vent and hose setup. Check that the exhaust hose is connected tightly and without kinks. The hose should lead outside or to a window. A blocked or loose hose stops hot air from leaving. Proper venting helps the air conditioner cool the room efficiently. Thermostat settings. Ensure the thermostat is set to the desired temperature. Avoid setting it too low, which overworks the unit. Use cooling mode, not fan mode, for cold air. Correct settings keep your space comfortable and save energy. Quick fixes. Quick fixes can help solve common problems with your Hisense portable air conditioner fast. These simple steps often save time and avoid the need for professional help. Follow these easy tips to keep your unit working well. Resetting the unit. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 5 minutes to let the internal systems reset. Plug the unit back in and turn it on. This often clears minor errors and restores normal function. Clearing blocked vents. Check both the air intake and exhaust vents for dust or debris. Use a soft brush or vacuum to clean any dirt blocking airflow. Clear vents improve cooling and prevent the unit from overheating or shutting down. Fixing remote control issues. Replace the batteries with new ones. Make sure the remote sensor on the unit is clean and not blocked. Point the remote directly at the sensor and press buttons slowly to check if it responds. Addressing overheating. Ensure the unit has enough space around it for air circulation. Avoid placing it near heat sources or direct sunlight. Clean the filters regularly to keep airflow smooth and prevent the air conditioner from overheating. Maintenance tips. Proper maintenance keeps your Hisense portable air conditioner working well. Small steps prevent big problems. Regular care helps the unit cool efficiently and last longer. Regular filter cleaning. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks during use. Remove the filter and rinse it with warm water. Let it dry completely before putting it back. A clean filter improves airflow and cooling power. Proper storage. Store the unit in a dry, cool place when not in use. Drain all water from the tank to stop mold growth. Cover the air conditioner with a cloth or plastic cover. This keeps dust and dirt away. Seasonal maintenance. Check the air conditioner before each cooling season starts. Inspect the power cord and plug for damage. Clean the exterior and vents using a soft cloth. Run the unit for a short time to test its function. Preventing mold and odors. Empty the water tank regularly to avoid mold. Use a mild detergent to clean inside the tank every month. Leave the door open for a few hours after use. This helps dry the inside and stops bad smells. When to call support. Knowing when to call support for your Hisense portable air conditioner can save time and prevent further damage. Some issues need expert help beyond basic troubleshooting. Understanding the signs helps you decide the right moment to get professional assistance. Persistent cooling problems. If your unit does not cool well after cleaning filters and vents, call support. Constant warm air or weak airflow may indicate deeper problems. Avoid running the unit too long in this state. Experts can check refrigerant levels and internal parts. Electrical issues. Unusual noises, frequent power trips, or failure to turn on signal electrical trouble. These issues can be unsafe and harm the device. Do not try to fix electrical faults yourself. Contact support for safe and proper handling. Component replacement. Broken parts like fans, compressors, or control panels need professional replacement. Attempting repairs without knowledge can void your warranty. Support technicians have the right tools and parts for fixes. Prompt repairs keep your air conditioner running smoothly. Warranty and service. Your Hisense unit may still be under warranty. Calling support ensures repairs or replacements are covered. Keep your purchase details ready for faster service. Using authorized service centers protects your investment and product lifespan. Frequently asked questions. Why is my Hisense portable air conditioner not cooling? Check if the air filter is dirty or blocked. Also, ensure the unit's exhaust hose is properly connected and not kinked. How do I reset my Hisense portable air conditioner? Turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. Wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. What causes water leakage in Hisense portable AC? Water may leak if the drainage system is clogged or the unit is tilted. Clean the drainage hole and place the unit on a flat surface. Why is my Hisense portable AC making loud noises? Loud noises can be due to loose parts or debris inside the unit. Check and tighten screws or clean the fan blades carefully. How often should I clean the Hisense AC filter? Clean the filter every 2 weeks during heavy use. This keeps airflow strong and improves cooling efficiency. What to do if the Hisense portable AC remote stops working? Replace the remote's batteries and point it directly at the sensor. Clean the sensor area on the AC unit for better signal reception. Conclusion. Troubleshooting a Hisense portable air conditioner can save time and money. Simple checks often fix common problems quickly. Keep filters clean to maintain good airflow. Ensure proper drainage to avoid water leaks. Reset the unit if it stops working. Follow the user manual for easy steps. Small fixes keep your air conditioner running well. Regular care extends the unit's life. Feel confident handling minor issues yourself. Stay cool and comfortable with these simple tips.